At Green Valley University, two ecology professors, Emma and Ben, meet to discuss how they teach students to protect endangered species, and how university education shapes future environmental leaders.
Hi Ben, how are your students' projects on endangered species going?
Quite well. They're realizing that learning isn't only about memorizing facts, but also about discovering things through experience, observing animals, collecting data, and analyzing results.
In academia, learning means understanding through practice and reflection, not just theory.
I've also changed my instruction methods this semester. You know, the way I teach, the techniques and steps we use to help students understand complex ecological ideas.
That's right. I still give a lecture once a week, a formal talk to the whole class where I present key theories about conservation. But then I follow it with a tutorial, a smaller group session where students discuss and apply what they've learned in the lecture.
A lecture transmits knowledge to a large group, while a tutorial promotes discussion and deeper understanding.
I like that balance too. As lecturers, we provide information clearly and encourage students to think critically. But you, as a professor, also manage research and supervise postgraduate projects, right?
Yes, that's one of my roles as a senior professor, mentoring young scholars, meaning serious students or researchers who dedicate themselves to studying particular topics, like coral reef recovery.
A lecturer focuses on teaching, while a professor often leads research and supervises scholars in specialized fields.
Speaking of that, do you still work with your scholarship students? Those who receive financial support for their studies because of their academic excellence?
Absolutely. Some of these scholars will attend next week's seminar, which is an advanced discussion class, where students share their research results and get feedback from peers.
A scholarship rewards excellence and opportunity. A seminar strengthens critical thinking and academic dialogue.
That sounds inspiring. I'm also preparing a workshop, a very practical session where students will design environmental awareness campaigns. It's a creative way to make learning active and meaningful.
Great idea. Our undergraduate students who are doing their first university degree really enjoy those activities. They help them qualify, that is, gain the skills and knowledge needed to continue into our postgraduate programs later.
A workshop transforms theory into action. Undergraduates learn foundations, while postgraduates specialize in advanced research.
Exactly. After they become graduates, they finish their degree successfully, they attend the graduation ceremony, which celebrates all their academic achievements. Many of them then apply for scholarships abroad to continue studying sustainable development.
Graduation marks the end of one journey, and often the beginning of another through new scholarships and research paths.
By the way, new students have been asking how to enroll in our degree, which means to officially register for a course. The prospectus explains everything, but some still need help understanding it.
True. I usually show them our syllabus, which is the detailed outline of the topics, goals, and assessments for the course. It helps them see that our program is truly educational, designed to teach both theory and practice, and that it produces educated citizens who can make a real difference in biodiversity conservation.
A prospectus introduces the program. A syllabus guides the learning process, and education transforms information into action for a better planet. From lectures to workshops, from scholars to professors, every step in education helps us protect life on Earth, one learning experience at a time.